Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you: 17 smart toys, gadgets designed to engage and educate kids in science, engineering, and technology. If you're looking to inspire your child's curiosity and creativity, these toys are a fantastic choice. You can access the links to these toys in the video's description. Let's jump right in. Our first featured smart toy is the Ravensburger Gravitrax Starter Set Marble Run. This isn't your ordinary marble run. Gravitrax takes it to the next level with its modular design, allowing kids to build intricate tracks, experiment with gravity, and develop problem-solving skills. It's a fantastic way to introduce concepts of physics and engineering in a fun and interactive manner. Next up, we have the Thames and Cosmos Structural Engineering Bridges and Skyscrapers Science and Engineering Kit. This kit is an educational powerhouse. Kids can dive into the world of structural engineering, learning how to build bridges and skyscrapers while understanding the principles of physics and design. It's a great hands-on experience that will spark their interest in architecture and problem-solving. Now, let's talk about the Snap Circuits Beginner Electronics Exploration Kit. Electronics can be intimidating, but not with Snap Circuits. This kit offers a hands-on approach to electronics where kids can safely and easily build various circuits. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to the world of electronics and inspire an interest in STEM fields. We have the Thames and Cosmos Robotics Smart Machines. This kit brings robotics to your child's fingertips. With easy-to-follow instructions, kids can assemble their own robots, fostering creativity and problem-solving. It's an excellent way to introduce them to the world of robotics, coding, and automation. Let's kick things off with the Gears and Gadgets 194 Pieces Kids Building Toys. This set is all about creativity and problem-solving. With 194 pieces, kids can build large and small robotic projects, exploring the world of gears and mechanics. It's a hands-on way to teach engineering concepts and critical thinking, allowing them to construct a variety of machines. Next up is the 4M Hover Racer Science Kit, a DIY mechanical engineering airboat. This is a STEM toy that brings the thrill of engineering to kids. They get to build their own airboat and learn about mechanical engineering concepts. It's not just educational. It's fun, and it demonstrates the practical applications of science and technology. Moving on, we have LEGO Gadgets, a klutz science and STEM activity kit. Legos have been inspiring creativity for generations, and this kit takes it up a notch. It provides science and engineering activities that integrate seamlessly with LEGO building. Kids can construct and experiment with various gadgets while learning the science behind them. The Thames and Cosmos Architectural Engineering Science Experiment and Model Building Kit. This kit combines architecture and engineering into an exciting learning experience. Kids can build models of famous architectural structures while understanding the principles that make them stand. It's a perfect introduction to the world of architecture and design. Our next featured smart toy is the Snap Circuits Arcade Electronics Exploration Kit. This kit is all about combining fun with electronics education. Kids can create exciting electronic projects while exploring the world of arcade games. It's a perfect blend of technology and entertainment, making learning a blast. Now, let's explore the ThinkFun Gravity Maze Marble Run Brain Game. ThinkFun's Gravity Maze is a fantastic brain game and STEM toy. It challenges kids to build marble run puzzles that require critical thinking and logic. It's an excellent way to stimulate problem-solving skills and spatial reasoning. Up next, we have Snap Circuits Bricks Structures. Snap Circuits Bricks combines the magic of bricks with the power of electronics. With over 20 STEM and brick projects, This kit allows kids to build their creations while learning how electrical circuits work. It's an exciting way to foster creativity and technical skills. Let's explore the National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run. This 75-piece STEM building set combines the wonder of magnets with the thrill of a marble run. Kids can design and construct intricate pathways from marbles, all while learning about physics and magnetism. It's hands-on science in action. Our next featured smart toy is the LEGO Chain Reactions Klutz Science Activity Kit. This kit combines the creativity of LEGO with the fun of chain reactions. Kids can design and build their intricate contraptions, learning about physics and engineering along the way. It's an excellent way to explore STEM concepts through play. Up next, we have another National Geographic Amazing Chemistry set. This kit is a hands-on exploration of chemistry with 45 science experiments, including crystal growing. Kids can dive into the world of chemical reactions and molecular structures. It's a fantastic way to ignite their passion for science. Now, let's check out the Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Electronics Exploration Kit. Snap Circuits Junior is a gateway to electronics. Kids can build exciting projects while learning about circuits and electrical components. It's an excellent tool to foster an early interest in technology and engineering. Moving on, we have the Klutz LEGO Gearbot Science Activity Kit. This kit combines the world of LEGO with robotics. Kids can create their own moving robots using gears and LEGO bricks, offering an immersive experience in STEM concepts and engineering principles. Let's explore the Ravensburger Gravitrax Starter Set Marble Run. This marble run is not your average one. Gravitrax introduces kids to gravity, magnetism, and kinetic energy through interactive building. It's a fun way to explore STEAM concepts while constructing impressive marble run tracks. These 17 toys are the perfect way to love for science, engineering, and problem-solving in your child. They provide endless opportunities for hands-on learning and creativity. That's a wrap on our Smart Toy Showcase. If you have any questions or need more information about any of these toys, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for being with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.